Hi everyone, this is Math OD2 3.3 Scientific Notation. So in the previous video we discussed what scientific notation is and why we use it. I also did several examples that teach you how to convert numbers from scientific notation to standard notation. In this video we're going to go the other way. We're going to try taking a number like 50,000 and converting it to scientific notation. So let's start with this example. Right now, our decimal place is sitting right here. Remember, by definition, a number in scientific notation can only have one digit before the decimal point. If there's more than one digit sitting in front of the decimal point, then the number is not truly in scientific notation. So my decimal point is going to start here, and it needs to end or stop right in front of the 5. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that 50,000 is 5 times 10 to the 4th power. Let's take another example. Let's say I have the number 6 million. In this example, my decimal place is starting here, and it needs to end right here. So let's count the number of spaces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 times 10 to the 6th power. The 6 comes from the fact that I moved the decimal point 6 times. Let's look at numbers that are smaller than 1. Let's take the number 0.04. The decimal place is starting here, and it needs to end right here. So let's count how many places we need to move this. 1, 2, 3. I moved the decimal 3 places, so this becomes 4 times 10 to the negative 3rd. The way I know that it's 4 times 10 to the negative 3rd, not positive 3, is because I know that this number is less than 1. Likewise, for the first two examples, because both numbers are larger than 1, I know that I'm going to have positive exponents. Let's do one more example. Let's take the number 0.05694. Let's try writing this as a number in scientific notation. Okay, so my decimal point is starting here, and it has to end up where? Well, if I put it here, that means that there would be 4 digits in front of the decimal point. And remember, by definition, the scientific notation, any number in scientific notation, cannot have more than 1 digit in front of the decimal place, or else it's not truly in scientific notation. So where would I have to put this decimal point in order to have only a single digit in front of the decimal point? Think about it and see if you can figure it out. If you said that the decimal point should go in front of the 5, then you are absolutely correct. So our decimal point is starting here, and it needs to end in between the 5 and the 6. So let's count. We have 1, 2. I moved the decimal point over twice, so my final answer here is 5.694 times 10. Remember, we only move the decimal place over twice, to the negative 2nd power. How did I know that my exponent would be negative? The way I knew is because the number I started with was less than 1.